Hey guys, it's me, Scratch Out too. And you might be wondering, wow, this guy's been on a long hiatus, yet I have been gone for like 3 to 4 months. That's because I have to do a lot of stuff like school, and I still do coding. I'm working on this game called Scratch Fruits based on a Roblox game. So yeah, it's online. That's what I've been mainly working on. But mostly just school. But yeah, then because the reason why I decided to make this video, you've already seen the title, already seen the thumbnail. It's about the chat, because I made my own chat, but like it's different from all the other chat videos I made. And if you look at all the other chat videos, you can see that my how to make a chat room. See, look, my how to make a chat room Scratch has already made 6.1k views just 1 year ago. 1 year ago, already 6.1k views. I mean, look, other people may have more, but like, if you search up how to make a chat room on Scratch, mine is the second one to appear. So like, it's kind of a big thing, for me. And we're almost at 200 subscribers, so yeah, make sure y'all subscribe so we can get to 200. My goal is 250 by July. But yeah, I guess that doesn't really matter right now. What we're talking about here is the chat room thing. So I was looking over my video, I'm like, what should I create? And then I saw that I got 6k views. I edited this to 6,000 views, can't believe that. And let me pin this. So then I was like, wait a second, I made a chat room on my Scratch Fruits, because if you look here, because my chat room, I made the chat room that has 60 views, which is kind of a buggy one, and it doesn't work that well. So I remade it, so that's improved chat room, and like as you can see here, and online cloud chat room improved. It also has 2.2k views. Look at the comments and likes. It just hit 100 likes, 5 dislikes. Yeah, because of how bad the quality is. So then I remade it a few months later, right? So that there was a cloud reset timer, and then like 2 months after that, Scratch took down my first project and said it had to be whitelisted, like there had to be specific phrases. So then I made the whitelisted one. Just a few months ago, like 5 months ago, already has 157 views, and Chevy Fritz getting banned. And then I thought, you know what? Because now I have the idea to make a chat like this. So you can type in anything, and it pops up here too. Instead of using the save block, I decided to do that. Whenever I just type my keyboard, it pops up here. Obviously, this required a lot of code, and it uses stamping. But yeah, I'm going to use clones on one we're going to make. So yeah, but before we can even start on the chat, there's a link above, at the end of the video, you can skip to the end. But let's go here. Basically, I have Scratch add-ons, so I can just search for projects. You have to get the text. You have to follow the text engine tutorial. Yeah. I have to make a text engine. So yeah, that's kind of like that. You kind of have to like just do my tutorial first before you can even like try to attempt the project. So let me get the one that I made before. Where is it? Text engine on Scratch Online. Yeah, basically watch all 3 parts. I'm pretty sure I made 3 parts. Let me see text. Yeah, I actually made only 2 parts. So yeah, it's just 2 parts, guys. In total, that'd be like 22 minutes of watching time. So just watch both those videos, make the project, and boom, you have this. Basically, as the line, the left line, the right line, the center line. So yeah. Now what we want to do, I'm going to save this as a copy, and we're going to be making chat room on Scratch. Well, this will be whitelisted. Well, that could be your decision, okay? Honestly, I don't really care about all this stuff about, what's it called, whitelisting, Because I feel like the people use Scratch won't use profanity. But yeah, anyways. So as you can see here, we have this outline stuff. And if you don't feel like, if you got the time to like do those 2 tutorials, here is just to set up everything I did here. Okay, but now, so we don't want to write them at mouse X and not anymore. In fact, let's make a new sprite called chat UI or GUI, graphics user interface. It's basically going to be similar to the one I made before. Let's see. I'm not going to do it so that whenever you type it, it appears in the box. I'm just going to use the as because it would take way too long to do the one I did. So yeah, we have this. We're going to be BG for background. And yeah, so now we have lots of room for lots of numbers in our chat. So now let's make a variable called typed. Needs creating list. I don't think we do. Okay. So we're going to write typed at. Actually, we don't need to write typed. In fact, let's make a list called chat because this will be our chat. So when we start the flag, we want to delete all of chat, right? Or we don't really need to delete all of chat, but like there's no point in not. So let's just do what that does. So bucket delete. Then let's see. So we want to write item 1 of chat at. We want to align it to the left, to this way, and we want to do it like maybe 230, and then we want to put it at the top, so negative 170 maybe. Let's see how that goes. Actually, let's write left. Oh, that's because, hold up, when green flag clicked forever, we want to go to x00, show, and then we want to set ghost effect to 50, so it's kind of see-through. Clear graphic effect, set size to 100, and we want to go to the back layer. That's important so that the clones can go in front. Oh, as you can see, that's where it is. Oh, I meant negative 230, so that's at the left. Yep. A little bit more. Let's put 240. Oh, that's too much. 38. There we go, and 170 at the top. So that's where we want it to be. So, in fact, let's add some things to our chat. Let me just delete all chat for a while. So I want our first level of chat to be hello. I'm a coder like you. This chat room is so cool. I am the best. Bye. Okay, so now that we have those things, we want to write item 1 of chat there. Next, you can change the size. We want to write item 2 a chat, but lower. So A150. Oh, 150 is a bit too much. How about 140? Oh no, 155. There we go. Then we want to write item 3 and 4. Now we don't need to check because look, you can see the difference between these two are 15. So if we take out 15, that'd be 140 and then 125. As you see, that already matches it. And then we just got to repeat the process 5, 6, 7, 8 until it goes all the way down to the bottom. So minus 15. Oh, we ran into that problem. Let's just do stamping instead, I guess. Stamp here, and then instead of delete clone, erase all. Now let's try that. Hold up. Let's put the erase all over here. There we go. And now we don't need this delete. Why is it lagging? Hold up. Oh, I see the problem. Basically because we're repeatedly getting the width of the letters. So instead of that, how about here we get width of letters. Set size to 75, get the width of the letters, and then we don't need to put it here anymore, obviously. So now let's try that. And get width of letters. So we don't need to delete those. In fact, the only place we'll need to delete them, let's remove this size block here. And let's put the delete all of offset X and width up here. Oh, it's already up here, okay. Now see, yep, the lag is gone now. If I place this erase all here, yep. So now the game is less laggy. Oh, we need, okay, so now let's continue adding the items to our chat until it has completely filled the screen. So in case you didn't see what I did, I let these ones stay here. I've added the get with the letters up here first, and then this one just the get with the text. Okay, so now as you can see, our chat's getting pretty big. But I mean, should we put into a separate custom block? You can do that if you want to. I'm not really necessarily going to do that. So I won't have room for 24 items. I guess that's fine. So as you can see, our game is still kind of a little bit laggy because I mean, we are kind of adding a bunch of things. Okay, so we have enough room for. Oh, I just removed. So basically, the longer the text, the slower the game is gonna be. We don't want to have more items in our list than we should. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go to chat GUI, and then if length the chat is greater than 24, then we are going to delete item 1 of chat, which means we're going to delete the top part of chat. So if I type in hello everyone, you know, it's recent, so it's going to appear down there, and let's go delete the first one. So now I would say something like, oh no, the first one deleted. And as you notice here, the reason why it did that was because now there's multiple blanks. So, because if you click this manually and you press enter, sometimes it doesn't update. You gotta click it again. Still deleting. Oh, that's not how you spell deleting or whatever. So, it's always gonna make us have 24 items in our chat because that's all we need at the beginning. Okay, so now that we're this, we want to be able to send stuff using the chat. So let's add multiple variables. We need to make cloud variables. So chat sender 1, chat sender 2. Oh, well, we have to make this a cloud variable. Chat sender 3. So we're going to use 3 cloud variables. As you can see, chat sender 1, chat sender 2, chat sender 3. But you must have saw the message before that says we can only use numbers, not letters or symbols. So this stuff, how is this going to work? So we're actually going to convert them. So in this place, we're convert, and then we're gonna put input into cloud variable, and we're gonna run off screen refresh. And we're gonna repeat the length of our input. Now I'm gonna make I'm pretty sure just one. So let's make new variable called a for this sprite only. We're gonna say a to 1, and also make a b for this sprite only, and go set to blank. So repeat the length of input. So we're going to, okay, now we need to make another list called ABC. Ooh, this is gonna be a long video. It's gonna be like my online games, because if you did not make online game tutorial how to make online games, max of 10 players, because there's 10 cal variables. Basically, this is similar to what we're gonna be doing. So basically, add every single letter of the alphabet. I've did this so many times, I've basically memorized P, V, W, X, Y, and Z. You have to add all the letters of the alphabet into here. Okay, so now there's 26. But we also want to add the symbols. Like, for example, I put the question mark. So we're going to put all the symbols here. So I'm going to start with the non-shift ones. And you can even add shift ones too. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I mean 0 and then dash equals. And then these ones. Okay, and now that I did that, I'm gonna add the shift ones, the ones that you use whenever you, oh whoops, the ones that I use whenever you press shift, you know. So then that, wait, I already added that. Gotta be careful. Okay, so make sure there's no doubles or like multiples of the same one. So as you can see, I have 68. If you put everything on your keyboard, that'd be 68, like on the QWERTY keyboard. If you put anything else, then that is you have a different keyboard than I do. Okay, so now we have our ABC list. So we set, so now let's start with setting B. We're gonna set B to join. Add to number of letter A of input ABC. That's basically all we need. And now, finally, yeah, 10, 12, 11. Why is it only showing 10, 12, and 11? Oh, we're changing A by 1, my fault. 10, 11, 12, 13. Finally, we got it right. So what are we gonna do after this? We set chat sender 1 to B. So as you can see, we have our decoded message. And then we wait 0.5 seconds. It says chat sender 1 to blank. So now as you can see, it sets our data, it sends a message basically. It sends a message for a brief time and then it stops. If key space pressed. They're going to ask what to say. And then we're going to be saying must be how many, so how many characters can we fit in one thing? Actually, let's just put must be under 30 characters. So, and then we're gonna put if answer is less than, well, the length of answer is less than 30. There we go, convert our answer into a cloud variable. So chat center to B and then boom. Okay, and we're also going to add our answer to the chat so that we also get what we put in the chat. Actually, now that I think about it, we sent this, right? So we should be able to receive it as well. So now let's duplicate this, except let's hide. And then we're going to do all this except we don't need this. And then we don't need the key space press. We just need the variables. So now we've sent messages, but we don't know how to actually receive them. So that's what we're going to be doing right now. So check for cloud. So we're going to screen refresh. Okay. And then what we want to do is we want to check for cloud. If else. Oh yeah, we also want to add another if else. If cloud chat center wants you to blank. And we want this to be in a forever loop. So chat center 1 to blank. I mean, we set cloud center 1 to B. And that means if there's a message B. Also, so when we check for cloud, right? We want to check for cloud, and then if chat sender 1 is equal to blank, in fact, let's make a new variable called ran for this fry only, right? So we'll choose a random number, pick random 1 to 3. So then we're gonna put both there. If ran is equal to 1, then that means we want to check for the chat sender 1. And then so we're gonna put if chat sender 1 is equal to blank, chat sender 1 to B, else then else we set ran to a new pick random. Okay, so now then we're gonna add if ran is equal to 2. They're going to do the same thing. If chat sender but 2 is equal to blank, they set chat sender 2 to B, else we set to pick random again. And if it's equal to 3, then we set cloud sender B, chat sender 3 to blank, then we set to B, else we pick a new random number. So now, let's see. Set ran to pick random 1 to 3. And then here we want to set it to 4. Actually, now that I think about it, we convert it to cloud variable. Now, if else, in fact, let's just duplicate this one, because here we've already checked like which cloud we're going to send it to. So we don't even need to send it to B. Actually, we just need to send it to like some kind of number, so that other people won't be able to take it. Because if we're typing and we've already checked for the cloud, then we don't want other people to take it. Okay, so that is if, and then our random doesn't get set again. So if random is equal to 1, then we set cloud set sender to B, and if it's equal to 2, we set to B, and then else if it's equal to 3, we set to B. Okay. And then now we want to also send them all to blank here. Whoopsies. Okay. So now we set it to blank here. Chat sender 1, chat sender 2, chat sender 3. You know, it doesn't even matter. So now whenever we press space, it will detect to see if we have a cloud chat. Oh yeah, we also forgot to add a stop this script. The most important part. We have to add a stop this script so that we won't detect it anymore. Because then it'll just run it infinitely. So now, oh yeah, we want to set it to blank. Or we can set to 0. In fact, let's just do less than 1. So that if it's 0 or if it's blank. So now if we press space, it detected, so it shows random 1. So what to say, hello. And I could at least press space. Oh, so detected that one. Now it detected cloud sender 1. And now it detected cloud sender 3, and then 2, and then 3. So it's really random. It'll randomly send a chat. So now we're going to go back to receive. So we're going to receive and then a variable and then data. Run off screen refresh. So now we basically want to do the add this here, but we don't really want to repeat the length of the cloud variable. We're just going to do forever. So, and we don't want to set A to 1, but we do want to set B to blank. Keep the set A to 1 here. So now forever. So we're going to set B to join B, and then item, and here's what I was trying to do before. So join item plus, so we're going to do A, item A of ABC, and then item A plus 1 of ABC. So we're going to join item, no, we're going to do item A of the cloud variable. Item A plus 1 of the cloud variable of ABC. So basically your code should look like this. And now then we will change we'll change A by 2. Because remember, we'll be doing double digits, so we have to skip a few. And then if also we're gonna have to, in this part, we're gonna make a new variable called C. Because we want to know when to stop. Since it's forever, we want to know when to stop. So we're going to set C to blank also as well. So we're going to set C to this. And then if C, because at the end, if we reach the end, then it will set C to like a blank number, you know? It'll set C to like a blank number, so that's less than 1. You know, because if we look at here, C, let's set C to blank. Well, it's scratch the text stat as less than 1. So if that's true, then we just want to stop this script. And then we're going to set B to join B, C. Okay, so now here we have to set A to 1. We're going to receive the cloud data from, let's say, cloud's chat sender 1. So if I wanted to send, oh yeah, let's also show B, because B will be our answer as well. So let's say, so we have our key here. So if I wanted to send the message send, let's just do the message send. So that'd be, if we do this, awesome. If we send it, we're going to receive it, send, and then we can add that to list. I mean, to the chat. Chat, add B to chat. And then boom. So as you can see, our chat is receiving it, send. So now let's put that here. So forever reflect clicked, we'll set A to 1, and then if B is greater than blank, which means that B is, because well, there's nothing there, right? We don't want to just put blank into the chat. So then it's going to add that to chat, and so that it's going to detect if there's actually something to add to the chat. Then chat sender 2, and then finally chat sender 3. Okay. So now let's see that. Oh, there's multiple sends. Oh yeah, because we did set chat sender 1 to blank. Chat. So now let's see what happens if I press space, because we're immediately going to see a problem. Hello. Now as you can see, it does it multiple times. Why? Because of the forever loop, we don't have any weights. Okay, so you remember how I added it so that whenever you press space, it would also wait 0.5 seconds. Yeah, so we're gonna wait 0.5 seconds every time. What's up? So we're eventually gonna detect it. Boom. So there's no absolute way we can actually do it twice. Good day. Hey, I typed in good day. Oh! So guys, also you have to add a space. Add a space to your ABC. So now if I type in good day with the space, it only puts in good. Okay, so guys, I forgot to start recording, but the reason why is because it detects space. You see, I put a space here. Space is less than 1 apparently. So we're gonna have to change that by adding if A is also greater than the length of cloud variable, which means that A has surpassed the cloud variable. So now if we do that, good day. So it double checks to make sure it's not a space. Yeah, there you go. Now it shows good day. So, and we can repeatedly do this. Hello everyone, my name, actually I'm not gonna put my name. My gender is boy and I why didn't that go? Alright, because it has to be less than 30 characters, of course. I don't know the exact limit, but let's not put a limit. Let's see. So let's not put a limit on this. If the answer is less than. So now why didn't that go through? Let's see how long we can make it. Oh. Ooh. So if we had a few more S's. So I think, yep, so this would basically be the maximum limit. Except we also have to do usernames. So let's see what's the length of the last item of ABC. So item 23 right now. The length of item 23 ABC. No, not ABC, sorry, chat. 47, wow. My username, I don't even know how long it is. Let's see, the length of, because my name is actually the long, it's like the maximum amount you could put. I was gonna put extraordinary code 1 to 5. Extraordinary, but they said I couldn't do that, so I had to remove the A. 20 characters, I knew it was 20 characters. So you could put a max of 20 characters. So we're gonna have to remove 20 of these S's from the chat. So what I'm trying to say is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. The length of our chat can only be 27 characters. And that's just if you have a long user. So basically it must be under, yeah, 30 characters. I mean, who else's name is going to be extraordinary code 125? I mean, come on, guys. Whew. But let's just put under 25 characters just to be safe. So now that we have that, we also want to do, well, the reason why I also add 25 characters was actually because I want to do this. So we don't just add an answer, we add the name of the person. In fact, we have to put under 15 characters, or 17. Because I want to add the username of the person. Now, you don't have to add everything. I'm going to add the username of the person. And then I'm going to add the time. Choose join. Dang, this is not going to look. Whew. The reason I'm doing this is because of the list length. Whew. Actually, you know, I'm just going to add the join username. I'm not going to add the time. Add a space, and then we're going to add the answer. So, yeah. I'm going to change it back to 25 characters. Okay, so now let's hide the chat sender one. Noise chat. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh yeah, let's set it back to 25 here. And M is the longest character in the alphabet. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, oh damn. It has to be less than 20. Oh my. 26, under 26 characters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so now this 25 characters. It goes above because, you know, if we wanted to do is that it can't get past that point, all we have to do is go to the letters. You see this this width variable? I have scratch add-ons, so I'm gonna change it to for all sprites. So what you need to do is, actually, in fact, we don't even need to do that. We can leave it for this sprites because we have the sensing of this. So in fact, must fit length. So all we have to do is if what's it called?
So we don't need to add this because we can just put that there. And that, but we're only going to do stuff whenever we receive it and won't put it there. So whenever we actually receive the chat message, we're going to see if it's too long. Okay, so let's see, let's go letters. So if width is greater than, let's just say 240, we'll stop this script, which means you won't write down the text. So if my clear goes, whoops. If it's less than, so we don't want that to fit in. We want it to like, so you can put as much as you want, right? But why is that just there? You want to hide. Okay, so we want it to be stats long enough so that it could like fit in. So let's not even do this. Let's just add it to list to the chat. Let's show the chat s. Whoops, I meant greater than 240 s. FD f. Let's remove this so we can see how far it can go. Oh yeah, we also have to add my username. 125. Oh, that's already way too long. So it wants to have right when it touches this. There we go. So now we want it to say the width. So what's the width? Okay, it sets to 0. Set chat sender 1 to width. Yeah. Here. So when we first make the first letter, I want it to show the width. 478. Oh wow. So if width is greater than 475, then that's when we stop. In fact, 470 just to be safe. Okay. So now, wow, this is pretty well be 46 minutes. It must fit the length of the chat. So even with any username, it just has to be able to fit the chat length. Hello. It takes a while because it has to like get the random stuff in the forever loop. And in fact, instead of forever, how about actually no, forever will guarantee this chat is guaranteed to work. Oh, that was too long. Whoa. Huh. And as you see the blank thing up there. Oh, we also want to delete that. No, because as you see there's something up here. If we look here in the list, chat, this chat is guaranteed to work. It added it there, but we wanted to add it, right? We want to delete it if the width is greater, yeah. So we delete chat. But I don't really want to. So how are we supposed to detect whenever? Oh, I see. Chat item. So you just set it to 1 here, and then we could just change it by 1. Chat item by 1 after we write the chat. So now we just delete that item of chat. So if this is too long, then they won't see it. If I type it again, bam. Yeah, it was everything else. So yeah, as long as it's long, go fit in. Also, capital letters will not work because because Scratch defines lowercase and capital letters as the same thing. So we're going to work unless Scratch thinks about separate letters. So yeah, so we can do it. You can do it at times because the chat will do it. You know, right before. But yeah. But anyway. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and share. Add subs to the channel. Hit the notifications. Hit that notifications bell. Have a wonderful day. 50-minute video.